Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with the Last of Us Remastered. You get an error, DXGI error, device hung. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I highly recommend to turn off or disable all the background apps while launching the game. And nextly is, if you have an Intel motherboard, you need to reduce the performance cost ratio. To do so, open up your browser and you need to download this Intel Extreme Utility tool by clicking on this option, which is download, and save it into your PC. Once it is downloaded, install it. After installing, launch it, and you will find the option of performance core ratio. You need to reduce the performance core ratio by 2 or 3. If it is showing 53, then click on this back arrow key to reduce it to 50 or 51. Then hit apply to save the changes. And thirdly is, right into the BIOS, you will find the option of Intel Turbo Boost technology. Disable or turn off the Intel Turbo Boost technology. After doing these basic fixes, try to launch the game and check the issue of crashing with the Last of Us Part 2 has been fixed or not. If this failed to work out, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here regedit and then hit the enter key. Now right in this address bar, you need to paste a path which I will share you in the description of this video. Paste the path as it is and then hit the enter key. Now in this right pane, create a new key by choosing right click, new, dword 32-bit value. Give it a name TDR level and make sure you capital the letter both T as well as L. Double click to open it and value data, give it a value as 4. Now hit the OK button. Now go ahead, restart your PC and check the issue of crashing has been fixed or not. If it is still there, in next step I highly recommend to update your graphic card drivers. So again, if you have an AMD GPU, here is the official website of AMD and you need to install this particular driver version, which is 25.3.2. To do so, open the website, scroll down and here is the download link. Go ahead, click on it to download these drivers and install them into your system. Now if you have an NVIDIA GPU, open the NVIDIA website and in the manual search, type in the details and click on the start search option to find the relevant drivers of your GPU. Then from here, you need to download the game ready drivers with 572.83. Simply click on the option get download, install these drivers and this will fix out the crashing issues in the game. And lastly is, if nothing works, first of all you need to launch the game and then open the display settings over here. In the display settings, you need to do few changes one by one. First one is, you will find the option of frame generation. If you have FSR generation on, make sure you turn it off. After turning off frame generation, another option is dynamic resolution scaling. Again, turn it off. And thirdly is upscale method. From here, if you are selecting XCSS, do not select it. You need to choose the option FSR right over here. Once you have done these 3 changes, hit apply. I hope these methods will help you fix crashing issues with the game. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.